Want to transform your business's front desk into a 24/7 AI-powered scheduling and communication hub? Let's build an AI receptionist using the combined power of Retell AI and KevinHowTo. Begin by navigating to the Retell AI website. Once there, you'll need to create or log into your account. Inside Retell AI, click the button that says Create a New Agent. You will then need to customize your agent's personality, as you'll get to choose the voice and name you might want to make it sound friendly and professional. Now, the key step: integrate KevinHowTo in your Retell AI agent settings. You should be able to find the integrations menu. Select KevinHowTo from the list of available apps. The integration process often involves entering your KevinHowTo API key. You'll also be prompted to authorize the connection, granting Retell AI access to your KevinHowTo calendar and scheduling information. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the two platforms to communicate effectively. Once connected, configure your agent to handle calls. You can teach your AI receptionist to manage appointment bookings, answer common questions, or direct callers to the correct department. This includes setting up automated greetings and messages that allow for clear communication with the caller. Congratulations, you've now built an AI receptionist. It will automatically schedule appointments, answer general inquiries, and direct calls, all while providing a seamless and efficient customer experience, ultimately saving you time and improving your business's responsiveness.